This is Brother Barnes attempting to get a lot of information on a single PB2 lecture low-tech review page. Sounds like something a pirate might try. Well, let's see what we can make out of all this. This is the hormone that promotes body growth. What is it called? This organ filters blood to create urine. What is the name of the organ? And the next one is more like what part of that organ is the small unit that filters the blood and helps to form the urine. What is that called? This is the place in the female body where the sperm and the egg meet. What is this called? An infection of the cerebral spinal fluid or meninges is called this. The largest and most complex part of the brain is called this. Repeated impacts to the head, or maybe even a single impact to the head, can cause this. This part of the brain controls hormone secretion through the pituitary gland, most generally.